Simple as that. Kids understood that, they knew what I was talking about, and we just did not back off that thought. We competed at everything. Do you realize that to do things better than it's ever been done before, that there's only one way? You have to compete day in and day out to figure out a way to get there. You have to be in relentless pursuit of the competitive edge to get that done. You can't back off. You have to go for it day in and day out. If it's real, if you're making it real. 5 years after we started the program, here we are, as far as you could take it. We knew we were going to win the game. I wanted them to understand what they had accomplished so that they would learn the power of believing in something so strongly and not backing off what you can create. That's no made up stuff. That's real. Every one of those kids should have taken that with them as they left. I hope they did, because it's the real deal. As you face this season coming up, as you face your challenges to be the best coach you can be, if you'll set it very clear in your mind again about what you can become as a coach, and you won't back off it, it'll happen. You know, we have another illustration of it.